Good morning. We are now streaming live on YouTube. I am Judge Chase Johnson. When I call your case, please make your announcement. Adam Ayers,
The state's ready.
It's a bond waiver, Judge.
Marquavius Banks,
The case has already been indicted.
Jorge Beltran,
The state's ready.
Good morning, Your Honor. There is no attorney assigned, either conflict.
Judge, what date are you using for continuances?
You probably need to do September 2nd.
The second. Okay.
Yeah, I think we filled up the 26th and the 28th. So let's do September 2nd.
Would it be the 4th? I think the 2nd is Labor Day.
Oh, is it? Let's see. So the 4th.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Ready? Sajaro Benton,
Judge, that case is already done as well. That and the co-defendant to that one is Sarah Johnson.
So
They had yes, those cases were bound over a long time ago.
and what was the other one you said?
Sarah Johnson, that's the co-defendant.
All righty. Quantavious Bodie,
State's ready.
And yeah, we have a note on our calendar that
let me say that one more time. I can't hear you.
said it looks like that person hired an attorney is the note I have on this calendar. Says Jasmine do it.
And also, Your Honor, it looks like
We already did that one. We did. I'm sorry, I apologize. We did a consent bond last week.
On the Bodie?
Yes.
Okay. Then what about Trey Boykin?
State's ready.
I need to pre-try that one, Judge.
Okay. Contavious Brown,
That was taken care of before as well, Judge.
okay. So it's been bound over.
It's been, but yes.
Juan Burt,
The state's ready.
Defense is ready.
so that's a hearing, okay.
Yes, Judge.
Tremarius Carter,
The state's ready.
Pre-trial.
Jaquan Carter,
Judge, that case was already done as well.
Marlo Curry,
The state's ready.
I need to hold on that one, Judge.
Justin Judge-Atira,
The state's ready.
Same announcement, Judge. Hold, please.
Jalen Freeman,
Judge, I don't know if we have an attorney yet on Mr. Freeman, but the state's ready.
Not yet, Your Honor, not yet.
no attorney, okay. It's gonna be a 9-4 again. Antonio Glass,
State's ready.
Either conflict, Your Honor, no attorney assigned.
and is there an officer on Antonio Glass present?
Not currently on the Zoom right now, Judge.
Okay, all righty. That's gonna be the 4th. Trevon Gordon,
State's ready.
Your Honor, I'm seeing Attorney Hopgood assigned to this case on the calendar.
Attorney Upgood,
Oh, Judge, so her case is because she's now, I believe, a public defender in another circuit. So I think, so now it would go to either Derek Law or James Bowles in her office. See, I had an email from Attorney Bowles. It's going to be a waiver, Judge.
It's gonna be a waiver? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Kajim Green,
The state's ready.
Conflict, Your Honor, no attorney assigned.
gonna be 9-4.
And Judge,
Conti-
I think Mr. Green is one of the individuals on, I think it's Central State Prison. So if that's the only case, can they be excused?
Yes. Where I'm trying to find, I see Ware State Prison. You said they're at Central?
Mm-hmm. It says Central State Prison, Kajim Green.
Yes. All righty. So I guess once they come back, we can let them know. You're free to go, Central State Prison. All right, John Tavius Hall.
State's ready.
State prison is free to go?
Yes, he doesn't have an attorney assigned just yet.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're gonna have to reschedule once we get him an attorney.
And that's for Philip Green, Kajim?
Kajim Green, yes.
Okay, very good. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
John Tavius Hall, you say state's ready.
Yes, Your Honor.
Conflict, Your Honor, no attorney assigned.
And Patrice, do you have a list of these?
I think I have about 2 more, Your Honor. This,
Sorry? You
I
say
have
you
about-
do have?
I do, Your Honor, for this calendar.
Okay, all right. So at the end, if you could send me just the entire list if you already have it together.
Okay, I'll do that.
Judge Mack wants me to send those up to him. All right, Marquez Harrell.
State's ready.
And this case is assigned to James Bowles, Your Honor. He was just assigned on Friday, so I'm not sure if you know.
Okay.
And Judge, I doubt if he does because he emailed me this morning regarding the Trayvon Gordon, and didn't say anything about Mr. Harrell.
Mhm. Do y'all know if Mr. Harrell is in there on something else?
He does have other open charges.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
All right, so we will do 9-4 on that one. Mikhail Harris.
State's ready.
He has no attorney assigned, Your Honor. He's also a conflict.
9-4. Rayvon Hawkins.
State's ready.
Judge, you want to hold for a report. We need a sidebar on this. You should see a judicial note about it.
Okay. All righty. Alexis Hernandez.
State's ready.
They were on loan at last check, Judge, unless they showed up this morning.
That's
Yep.
permanent, not on loan.
You say he is?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, we'll continue that one to 9-4. Katrina Hooks.
The state's ready.
Consent bond.
Consent bond, all right. Jamiria Howard.
State's ready.
Trial.
I'm sorry.
Pre-trial.
Pretrial. Mhm. Jonathan Hughes.
State's ready.
I think it's gonna be a hearing. I just need to double check.
Okay. Danny Humphrey? Danny
One second, Judge, let me check on that one. The state's ready.
Pretrial judge.
Tacky Jackson?
State's ready.
Brandon Lewis is assigned to that case, Your Honor. He was just assigned also on Friday.
You say Brandon Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so I'll just continue that one until, unless he comes in, I'll continue that one to 9-4. Lutanio Jenkins?
The state's ready.
No attorney assigned, Your Honor.
9-4. Keandre Johnson?
State's ready.
Pretrial.
Mhm. Michael Johnson?
What's the first name, Judge?
Michael Johnson?
1 second, I didn't have that one on my calendar. Let me,
Oh, wait a minute, hold on, let's make sure.
that one's already bound over.
Oh,
Mike.
okay, okay. All right, I see Sarah Johnson is indicted. Marquel Jones was a waiver. Hashawn Jordan?
Judge, that individual actually, well, the state's ready, but he has, he or she has other charges that are not on this calendar. I don't know if they're on a separate calendar, but he has some other open charges as well.
And he's assigned to Chris Jones.
And I know Mr. Toles has a conflict.
Okay. All right, so we don't know what calendar his other charges are on.
I didn't see them on another calendar, Judge, but I would just ask if this case is continued to 9-4, just put any open charges that the defendant has on 9-4.
Okay, so Ms. Thomas, if you could look up, if you could look up where his other charges are, but I will put this down for noon. And that's a attorney conflict. Michael Lester?
State's ready.
I think that's gonna be a hearing, but I just need to verify this morning.
Mm-hmm. Maximilian Mack?
State's ready.
Pretrial.
Justin McCoy?
State's ready.
That's with attorney Tiambre Caland.
Who is it?
Tiambre Caland.
Spell that last name.
CALLAND.
Oh, okay.
Because I think, and I'll double check it in the calendar because I know Attorney Callan and I did a waiver on a case. Oh, that was a different defendant. Yeah, we haven't taken care of this one yet.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do we anybody know a contact number for her, or can we email and ask her if she's gonna log on?
I will, Judge.
All right. So, Ms. Davis, do
Mhm.
you know when she was appointed?
Oh, she was appointed. This is not a new case, Your Honor. She knows about this.
Oh, okay. All right. Tavares McMillan?
State's ready.
Judge, that one's being continued to October 14th.
Oh, that's right, Judge. No objection.
October 14th.
Mhm.
And what was the reason for that one? Was it
90th day.
I'm sorry?
It's a 90th day. The 90th day is on October the 10th,
Oh,
Judge.
okay. So
Right.
that's defense request, okay.
Yeah.
Bo Mosley,
State's ready.
Your Honor, I'm seeing a Carrie Thompson on this calendar. I don't know who that is.
Harry Thompson. Okay, we'll come back to it. Adam Pate,
State's ready.
Judge, if we could get a continuance on that one, the earliest date possible, September should be fine, if that's okay.
so 9-4.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm,
There's no objection, Judge.
mhm. DeHolio Roselle.
State's
Ron
ready.
Okay,
I need to hold on that one, Judge. I was under the impression there was an interpreter scheduled for this morning, but we would need their services though.
okay. So we need to get an interpreter on for you?
Yes, ma'am.
We need an interpreter for Roselle. Jeremiah Thompson,
Put that
Judge,
on.
the
Go
I
ahead.
believe state's ready, but the defendant has most of the charges related to this case on August 12th.
So just
And I-
continue to August the 12th, join the rest of them, Judge.
okay, so continue to August 12th.
Yeah.
And make sure this charge is placed on that date with the other charges. And I think Detective Gibson, if you're still on, you're excused, and we just put these on August 12th.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stanley Tilly,
State's ready.
Your Honor, I have an announcement on Macon State Prison. Lightning just struck their building. So, Tilly, they may not be able to come back on.
And
Alright,
he's
I'll
a
place
convict,
him
he has
back.
no attorney assigned.
Oh, was no attorney signed anyway? Okay,
That's correct, Your Honor.
so we'll do a 9-4.
Okay.
Andre Turner,
1 second, Judge. That's one I don't have. I think that's one my legal assistant has on my calendar, that he's in state prison. I don't know if he's one of the ones that's on now.
if does anybody have Andre Turner?
Was
That's
it-
at Fair State Prison. He just raised his hand.
Okay. And
Alright.
so does he have an attorney, Ms. Davis?
He does not.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put him on 9-4 so we can get an attorney assigned.
Okay, and so if that's the only case that Ware State Prison has, can they be excused?
Yes, they can be excused.
Okay.
Thank you. And Mr. Attorney, we'll bring you back soon on 9-4, okay? All righty. Kashana Boyd,
One second. The state's ready.
Hearing.
that's gonna be a hearing, all right. Desmond Welch,
The state's ready.
Bond waiver.
mhm. Waltese Wilkins,
State's ready.
Pretrial, Judge.
okay, is that the last one? Yep. All right, is there any name, anyone expected to hear that I did not call?
And Judge, I did get an email back from Attorney Callan, and she just asked if we could